Yes, so we have
Hit that baseline nice
Alisha.
and slow. Talk box singing, let the
So today we are going to another hospital. From this bunkers we have this tunnels. Yes, this is bunkers only, na? Underground tunnels, and from one corpus to another corpus for. So guys, we are on a roundup. He's going to show us some patients. So, but that patients are not in that building where we have class. So we are going to another building, and from outside we can't go because it's super cold. So all these buildings have this underground tunnels which connects to the another hospital. So now we are going like that. It's too much walking. Let's see. Oh my god. She comes from here, she will really. This is how this corpus connects to another corpus. Underground tunnels.
Vlog
Why are you vlogging us?
because you look beautiful. Same line to everyone, right?
Have you seen my antenna?
Antenna?
My antennas.
Yes, it's like cockroach. Cockroach has like this antennas. Sure.
Asim. Sure.
Please, no more, darling. He told you like this.
Please, Asim will always be my darling.
Yay!
1%
1%, darling.
And Amulia is 99%.
But why is she your darling? She also didn't
But
talk.
Smita, you are not my darling. Smita, you
Did
are
she-
not my darling because you refused to do what you needed to do.
I hope you don't go around and you don't think that it's okay.
आणि मग कॉपीराइट येतं मग माझ्या मम्मीचा रुमाल आणला.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dikshita, don't smoke. See what they have written here.
I don't smoke at all.
Then nice. Okay. Then say welcome back to our channel. Say.
Hi guys, welcome back to Asim's channel. Oh yeah, we channel.
So guys, today we have last class for general hygiene. There is a subject known as general hygiene, which is of no use. But Smita likes that subject. I don't know why.
Did I say I like that subject?
At least your father will watch this vlog. He'll be so happy that you like some subject.
No, I don't like that subject.
Amulya likes that
I
subject.
don't even like that printing.
You don't like? Okay, no one likes that subject. So then also, but to pass exams, to pass university, we have to go. So guys, today we have credit last class. So I want to show you how much we travel for no reason, spending so many. We spent so many money, so much of money to travel through bus, metro.
So much money, so much.
We didn't take ticket. That is something private. You should not say in vlog. Okay. So a lot. Arsenal Eva. So I'll show you. Now we are waiting for our bus. Hey, wait. Our bus. It came, man. So guys, first bus successfully. We took first bus and now we have to take another bus and then another bus, then another bus. Too many bus to go to this. Busy bus, yes. So, you know, guys, you must be thinking what is there in Dikshita's bag, right? So, yes, after going in class, we'll make that thing. Yes, what we can find in girls' bag, okay? So, we will see Dikshita's bag, what all she has bought in this fancy bag. I don't know for medical school why she's bringing, but so you know today it was snowing, but now temperature
Look how all we are going.
Yes. All puddles. One this. Finally we reached to this department, guys. After a long journey, after
I don't even know why we're coming to this class.
to sign a to get a sign to get a credit book signed. This is our department, guys. It looks more like church than some class.
See you, Amulya.
Pachimu eta is this?
पता कुछ ऐसा माया
उबे राहिला. मी नादा. Sarasho?
क्या नाद होता
Tell me general hygiene.
टीचर do you know general hygiene
I'll sign credit for you. You pass. Go to India. Go to India.
oh my god
Starasta.
Oh,
Dikshita Singh.
Sarang Devat.
Failed. What is this? Is this makeup class?
no
Then why you're drinking and eating everything here?
Drinking for my personal health and makeup is for my outer health.
Come here, bro. This is not perfect.
Because there is no structure for general hygiene hostel.
Smita, I'll sign for you. You passed.
Writing correct only.
You all passed. Go. Go to India. Go. Whose book this
Book
is?
my friend.
That is teachers.
It's mine.
Oh, yes.
This is fine.
Smita, be ready for injection.
Both of them are not good.
Be ready for injection. I will get one.
That is not an injection. Look at this.
Okay, so Smita is a patient today. She has come here for what happened?
Nothing happened to me. I don't want an injection, especially from you.
So she has got one disease known as nothing. So today we will go give this medicine. So this medicine is known as something. This medicine is something. So nothing will cut out something. Okay. Teacher, I want to use this.
Oh,
So can I break now?
so can I break this?
Ah, it's break.
There is something here. It won't, nothing will happen, right?
Okay, come.
Hey, no!
Everyone should use. No, not everyone. To all asthmatic patients. Then it should be like.
so
Should be like. Yes, it should be directed towards your mouth.
This is from My Little Pony. It's actually
Doctors,
colored.
nice. Patients are dying there inside, and doctors are doing here drawing. Nice.
This is supposed to be calm. I want to see this.
Okay, can I play now?
Yes. Hello guys, we are watching our vlog. My vlog. No, yes, our vlog. Yes. In class. So हम हमारा reaction record करेंगे. We will record our reaction.
Same dance, same music, same costume, same people also every time. Look at her. Her moments are so nice. Look at her. She's so flexible. Like this.
To be honest, I don't like that guy with her.
Oh.
Because they're long. No, it's my point of view that so nice.
Who?
This guy.
Ah.
I don't know what his
Sharif bro.
Sharif there. He's even in cricket match also was dancing so nice.
Guys, everyone is watching my vlog in class also. If you have not watched, go and watch. Link is below. So click on link, watch, like, subscribe, share.
Next station is Institute Kultury. Please mind the closing doors.
गाइस वेलकम बैक. सो टुडे हम लोग सब लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं आज कीनो थिएटर में क्योंकि आज हम लोग के हॉस्टल से मुझे और अनिशा को खास इनविटेशन दिया कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आए और मूवी देखे और कुछ तो है यहाँ पर मे बी शो. आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा कोजी है यहाँ का पूरा एनवायरनमेंट और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं. सो गाइस तुम लोग भी एंजॉय करो. मैं स्टार्टिंग से व्लॉग नहीं स्टार्ट किया था बिकॉज बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है बट अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़ और कैसे हम लोग मूवीज़ देखते हैं, क्या करते हैं या फिर क्या कोई प्ले है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट बट सून आई विल शो यू एवरीथिंग लाइक दिस इन दिस व्लॉग एंड सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. होगा गाइस यहाँ पर इतना मस्त है, इतना ब्यूटीफुल है कि नहीं अनिशा? आज बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे लग रहा है ना हम लोग कोई क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कौन सी गाइस यहाँ का ऐसा लग रहा है कोई पैलेस में कोई पार्टी जैसे मूवीज़ में दिखाते हैं ब्रिटिश एंड ऑल के टाइम पे जो पार्टीज होती है वैसे वाली. और पता है हम लोग यहाँ पर ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं ना, सब लोग हम लोग को ही देख रहे हैं भाई. पता नहीं हम लोग सब लोग का हम लोग ने वो छीन लिया हुआ है, क्या बोलते हैं, ये जितना भी डेकोरेशन है सब वो छोड़ के हम लोग को देख रहे हैं. बट गाइस यहाँ पर बहुत सही में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. अभी हम लोग का 8 मिनट्स और बाकी है शो स्टार्ट होने के लिए. अब मुझे पता नहीं कि ये स्क्रीन शो होने वाला है या
स्क्रीन शो ही होने वाला है तो वहाँ पर
पर वो पपेट टाइप कुछ है ना. आई डोंट नो, मे बी स्क्रीन शो हो सकता है या फिर मे बी हम लोग देखेंगे कि कौन सा या फिर लोक बोलायला नाही पाहिजे की आतमध्ये व्हिडिओ अलाउड नाही. Oh my god, awesome. Now we have break, guys.
It's very good.
Break time now.
Yeah, it's break time. 5 minutes left for the second part.
Yes, so we have break time. So I took this cake to eat because I was so hungry, and then we'll start again the next part. It's awesome, guys. Really. So guys, finally we watched full this ballet.
Awesome.
Yes,
You
awesome.
should
Actually,
come
this was
and
my
watch.
first experience to watch like this play, but it was very nice. Yes, obviously it was full in Russian, but yes, we can understood what they wanted to show. And you know, guys, I learned so much today, so many things, how to say, how the expressions and all of this, like whenever the people in Russia they speak, they have like specific accent, reactions and all, and it was so nice to watch all these things. And now we are going home, so everyone is here with us. And I want to show you one more thing here that Anisha while going told that we don't need to go to Paris or something because we already have Belarus also have Paris, so I will show you it. So see guys, this is a mini Eiffel Tower in Belarus. So we don't need to go anywhere to see Eiffel Tower. See, so everything is there in Belarus.
Urop. हे निजिरिस्ती वस्ती आहे ना सांग. सीए लुडिस लुशायत मीडिया बेलारूस सीए मालिंकी इंडिया मालिंकी पारिस इतोगे मालिंकी तुर्कमेनिस्तान.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So, Kharasho, paka paka all everyone guys. We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care and hope you like my vlog. Like, subscribe, share. Bye.